Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a paint pour, acrylic pour, and I'm going to be doing with only gold and white. All these different types of gold colors, except this one is sort of a leftover and I have no idea what's mixed in there. There might be some pigments in this one. They're all pretty thin. All these are thin. I'm going to be using the different whites is Delta Cream Coat in one of the white cups. I'm using an Artist Loft white. I'm using a pearl mix. Don't ask me, I just mixed all my pearls mixes together, and this is sort of a leftover pearl mix. And a satin. So there's 4 different whites. Oh shoot, the pearl is actually, well, I just spilled. I'll clean that up. So let me go over these real quick. This is the consistency. Well, that one could be a little bit thinner. They leave a little mound. Been sitting for a minute. Let's see. Try to get them all the same. I am going to be putting a white base down. Then I think I'm going to be doing a layered cup, maybe a dirty cup, possibly a swipe if I don't like what's happening. I did put 1 squirt of Aussie Floetrol in all of these, and in the Artist Loft white. So I'm going to be pouring on a 12 by 16 canvas. I gotta get that one ready. So I'm gonna get ready, put on some music, and let's create. I'm going to start by putting a little bit of gold in each cup. Just that first gold, which is Master's Touch gold. And then I'm gonna put some Artist Loft white. Going to put some, let me see, pearl inside here. I'm going to go ahead and start layering. This one was the Molten Metals Dorado Gold. This one is the Folk Art 14 karat. This one is the Amsterdam Gold. This one is the 24 karat Deco Art Gold. Who doesn't like that one, right? I'm gonna put some more Artist Loft in there. Put a little bit of the Cream Coat white. Okay, this is a Folk Art Glitter Gold. Make that one dirty. Artist Loft Gold, which you really can't get anymore. This is a Flow Acrylic. It has sort of a green tinge to it, but I like it. This is the mixture. I think there's some pigments in here. This was leftover gold. This is the Pearl Mix. this is a mixture of a bunch of other pearl recipes that I have, so I can't tell you exactly what's in here. If you look back at some of my videos, you'll see pearl mixes that work. So I'm not sure if this one's going to. The paints, my golds weren't super. They were thin, but not as thin as I like them for a regular pearl pour. So let's get going. This is just the regular satin with Floetrol. All my colors are mixed with a squirt of Liquitex pouring medium, US Floetrol, a squirt of Australian Floetrol, and water. Same with the whites, except the whites don't have the Australian Floetrol in them. This is just house paint. This isn't really gold enough for me. I shouldn't have put the white in the flip cup, but I did. I am getting some pearls here. I'm going to pour some of this gold, the extra gold, into that gold. Just going to let it do its thing for a while. If I don't like what I'm seeing, I'm going to go ahead and put more gold in there. Okay, I'm not liking this area right here. This might turn out okay. This is okay. So I'm going to try to do something this way. I hope it turns out. If it doesn't, I feel like I might be able to swipe it. And I might ruin the whole thing, but that's fluid art for you. So I made up sort of some cell activator. Tried this color before, but this is a gold, and it's Matisse metallic gold. Mixed it with Australian Floetrol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dip my paper towel and swipe it across there. If I like it, then I'll probably end up coming over here with it. I did that. I'm going to go ahead and let it sit for a while. I'll bring you down.